Welcome to this video, adult marketers and learning machines. I want to talk about the power of TrafficJunky. Okay, TrafficJunky's a platform. It basically, you can run ads on like Pornhub and all these big sites. These sites get billions of impressions per month. It's a big deal, okay? I run ads on TrafficJunky and XOClick and all these other platforms, and Propeller Ads is a big one too. But it's not as much adult. Propeller Ads is not much adult. And I will talk about these platforms in this channel. Now, TrafficJunky is very interesting, okay, because they're the easiest to run ads on and get approved and, have things go, okay? So what you do is you're going to set up like 5 ads on TrafficJunky and split test them, and you're going to see what gets the highest click-through rate and the lowest cost per click. You're going to run at 25 bucks a day. This is what I do. And you're going to crush it. Let me tell you guys a story of how I first got into this and my first successful campaign, okay? So I was promoting an offer on Crack Revenue. It's one of the highest converting offers, by the way, and I'm not going to say what it is. It's a cams offer, okay? Cams. If you know what those are, people go up on a live stream and twerk and stuff, okay, or whatever. And people sign up for this, and you get paid $2 to $3 per conversion. So I did. I go to TrafficJunky. I make a banner ad campaign. It's called a regular campaign if you go to TrafficJunky, okay? And what I did was I went to Canva, made these banners. I didn't copy banners from other people. What I did was I tried to make banners that stood out, because I know marketing. If you stand out in your marketing so you can grab attention, get the click, you're going to get a high click-through rate and low cost per click. My cost per click on my first successful campaign was 3 cents per click in the United States of America. Okay, that's a big deal. Because most advertisers in adult and everything, or any advertising like that, they're very competitive for tier 1 traffic. And so what I did was I went ahead and I literally ran traffic, 20 bucks a day, gathered data, and ran with my best performing ad. And I kept that going for weeks on end, okay? And I increased my budget over time to like 200 to 300 bucks per day. And my ROI was like $2, okay, per dollar in, $2 out, all the way to $3. This is my first successful campaign. I was direct linking to this offer. I wasn't doing any long funnel. I wasn't creating my own offers for adult traffic or anything like this. TrafficJunky can crush it. You can make tons of money. It's one of my favorite income streams in the entire world because I know the potential of it and I know the power and I see the numbers. I see the behind the scenes. I'm in powerful groups too, by the way, of others, people crushing it. You can go on STM forum, you can network with people, you can have Skype and like talk to people over Skype, and over time you're going to crush it. You just got to start networking. But anyway, you don't have to do that to crush it. You can just start freaking running ads and making money, man, because it's just so easy. By the way, some of my biggest campaigns, and I keep all this very secret, by the way, but anyway, mainstream offers. You don't need to do adult offers. You can promote offers inside niches that are totally outside of anything relevant to adult, okay? No freaking wiener pills and all these things. You can literally crush it with promoting something like how to make money with Instagram or TikTok type stuff. Like that stuff can work. It's all about the angle, baby. It's all about the angle. It's all about your pre-sale pages. It's all about your ads. This is how you crush it. But in general, guys, to crush it with marketing, and adult marketing is marketing, obviously, leverage 25 biases. Stack them as much as you can. You'll crush it. This is what I attribute to all the money I've ever made and all the money I've ever seen anyone make. This is everything, okay? TrafficJunky is the way to go, baby. Okay? TrafficJunky is one of the biggest sites in adult marketing, okay? Because they have the biggest sites that you can advertise on. And there's one more tip I want to end here with, since you're with me till the end of this video, is geo-targeting. Geo-targeting, bro. What is that? You can target people in other countries that are not English-speaking countries and promote offers that allow traffic from those countries anyway. And you just have a great angle to your marketing. A great angle could be a banner that just stands out, okay? It could be something that gets a high click-through rate, basically like that. Or it can be a pre-sale page that leverages, once again, the 25 biases. When you leverage the biases as much as you can, you will see conversions through the roof. Association bias is a massive one to mention. But anyway, you run traffic to these countries, man, and you will see conversions happen. By the way, it's more easy to get results, and there's just as much opportunity, if not more, and profitability inside geos outside the United States, okay? This is something I'm testing a lot right now, and I'm seeing money with. And I didn't want to let it out, but since you're at the end of the video, I'm sharing it with you right now. it's a massive opportunity, okay? Countries outside the United States, you just use a Google Translator, make your freaking ads, do the text, and send them to an offer that allows that traffic. You're going to crush it. You're going to make profits. It's the cheapest traffic ever, because it's like countries outside tier 1 traffic. Okay, so you're going to crush it. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. And if you want more videos, subscribe for more. And if you want to learn the most intense, valuable freaking advice of what to do, okay, with adult and crush it step by step, I have the adult program down below. Go check that out if you're new here. And peace out, learning machines. If you want all my programs, get the mega bundle. You're going to get everything, the done for you funnels, the freaking everything, okay? And you'll see what's inside there on the sales page. Go check that out. Peace out, learning machines. Peace.